In this video, I explain how to extract figure from Jupyter notebook. Here you can see I made a scatter plot of dataset that I have. So this is the scatter plot, and I want to extract this figure from Jupyter notebook to my computer where I can use anywhere like Word file or any other. So simply press Shift and right click. Here is the option of save image as. Click here. You can change the name, any name you want, pick PNG and the destination where you want to save. And your file is saved with PNG image. And I again repeat, the command to be used is take your cursor on the figure, shift, right click. Here is the option of save image. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, then click on like button and subscribe my channel Statisticians Club. Thanks for watching.